Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about not having a video this past Friday. I've been very busy because we have an announcement. We have a new baby. Look at my new baby, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Look how little and cute he is. So yeah, I was busy because this weekend we got a new pup and I was just like all over the place. Now the other baby is getting jealous that I'm showing you the new baby. So this is our new puppy. He's literally 2 months. He's so little and cute. He looks bigger on camera and like in photos, but he's actually a tiny little baby. Look at this. So he's a cockapoo, which is half toy poodle, half cocker spaniel. His name is Master Bruce Wayne Foster. We have another dog, of course, Kal-El, our first baby. And if you didn't know, hold on, there's something in my eye. So Kal-El's name is Kal-El because Superman's real name is Kal-El. And I love the name Kal-El. My husband really liked it too. And so when we got the dog, we were like, oh my God, we should name him Kal-El because he's from Kansas City, Kansas, Superman, so it was meant to be. So then when we got this little baby, I was like, oh my God, babe, we should name him Bruce because he's dark like Batman. He's like a dark chocolate brown, almost black. It looks black here, but like up close you can see it's like a dark chocolate brown. So I was like, we should name him Bruce. So we have Superman and Batman. Yay! He's such a sweetie. He's very feisty. He's already barking. Kal-El did not bark at this age. Kal-El was super quiet. He's very playful. He wants to play a lot. Kal-El's like, at first Kal-El was terrified of him, but it's been 2 days now and he's starting to warm up to him a little bit, which is good. I think they're gonna get along fine. It's just gonna take a little while, but yeah, this is the baby. Look how cute his little body. Oh, look at his little eyes. I don't know what it is about these dogs, but they have like human eyes. Like, look at his eyes. It looks like he's looking at you in your soul. He's so, look how relaxed he is. My little Brucey, my little Brucey. My sweet boy, Brucey. Yes, you are. He's so cute. Anyway, I know I could stare at him all day too. Follow them on Instagram. They have their own page. It's Kal-El and Bruce, literally. So I'll leave that in the, I'll leave their Instagram in the description box. And follow me too. Okay, time to put Brucey down so we can get to work. So for today's video, I wanted to do a try on haul for you guys that wasn't sponsored. All of these things I purchased myself. Some of the Asos pieces they did send me, but I wasn't paid or anything. So we have Boohoo Prettylittlething Asos, which are probably my favorite places to shop. And you guys know that I am like all about color this summer. It actually ended up, I'm doing like color stories on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me, check it out. I'll leave my feed here. I'll kind of scroll through it. So it started out by me just wanting to do something different for summer. I just felt very inspired. I wanted to like branch out and do something colorful. And this was like before summer even started, like a couple months ago. And I was like, you know what? I just want to do something different. Like, I'm tired. I need color in my life. So I did like a little mint sage color story. And then I just got inspired. I was like, let me just keep going. And orange ended up just happening naturally, and orange lasted like 3 weeks, and you guys really loved it. You were telling me like, keep doing colors, like what color is next? And I was like, oh, people really like this, and it ended up getting me a spot in the New York Post. I talked about it in my last video. I'm gonna talk about it again. If you didn't see, I'll put that here as well. I ended up getting put in an article about color, which is so amazing that I was just like randomly inspired by color, and then it got me a spot in this New York Post, excuse me, I said magazine, New York Post newspaper, which is incredible. As a New Yorker, it was like such a great honor. So then that article ended up getting me named in a news women's health magazine article about Rihanna, where they quoted me. Then that ended up getting me a DM from Rihanna on Instagram, and Rihanna follows me on Instagram, but she never like commented or DM'd me. And she actually personally DM'd me on Instagram, and I don't want to put the DM on the screen, because I just feel like that's kind of corny. Like, I don't know, I just really like, I want to keep it kind of private to myself. Like, obviously I showed my family and friends, but like, I don't want to be corny and put it online. Let me know what you guys think. I don't want to post it. But yeah, she ended up DMing me and we had a little conversation. It was so nice. So it's crazy how color, just like me being inspired by color, just like snowballed into this entire thing, which is just so amazing. So I say all that to say, follow your heart, do something different this summer, challenge yourself to grow, to do something else, to push yourself. For me, I'm just all about color this summer. So the point is, this haul is just full of colorful items. Let's get into it before I keep talking. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff. Everything will be linked down below. The first thing we have here is this beautiful little play suit. So this is what the play suit looks like. Sorry if you hear the dogs whining. They're gonna be whining. And the little one eggs the big one on. And I just got a package, so they're a little bit wound up if you hear them. Just know, that's pup life. It's okay, Brucey. This suit looks like, I absolutely love it. As you can see, it ties in the front and it has a really long tie, so you can kind of like play with it if you want. It's more adjustable because you can make this part tighter as well. Of the shorts, it's the perfect length. It's a really nice thin material, but it's not see-through. This is just like the perfect tropical vacation little outfit. I definitely want to wear this somewhere on vacation. I also purchased a bunch of colorful shoes for the season as well, and so I'm gonna be throwing in the shoes in between. So the first pair here from Asos, I think these will look so nice with this outfit. It's a really nice like creamy orange color. This is what they look like. They're really, really pretty. I have worn them a couple times to create content. These are definitely comfortable, but they're not comfortable long term. I like that they're a short little heel, and the material is like a faux leather, like puffy faux leather. It does have a nice support. It's a small heel. The strappiness is just uncomfortable at the toes. Like, that's the honest truth. So for me, these are definitely wear them out of the car, to sit down, to go back to the car shoes. Next from Asos is this gorgeous baby blue, I think this is maybe not baby blue, maybe like powder blue, or like robin's egg blue is probably the perfect tone. It's this beautiful like oversized robin's egg blue. It's so classic, and for the summer, so much fun. You could really dress these up or down. Actually kind of trendy right now as well. Even when they're not trendy, they're super timeless. It's a little bit oversized, but I still like how it fits. I always like roll mine up a little bit. Dinner in the summer and you don't know what to wear, throw this on with some jeans or some shorts, and you immediately have a very fun and fashion forward look. Okay, next thing I've been obsessed with are sweatshirt shorts. I'm gonna throw them on just so you guys can see. And then on top, I'm pairing it with this really cute little crop top from Boohoo. I actually wore this the other night to dinner. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm doing yellow on Instagram right now, so I wore this the other night and I love it. It's so pretty, lightweight, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and what the shorts look like. They're so freaking cute. So you guys can see that even tightened, like the shorts are very big in the waist. And then if you wear them to the beach or you wear them out, like they start to stretch as you wear them because of the material. So I would definitely say a size down to wear them to the beach. I absolutely love sweat shorts this summer. They're definitely gonna be my go-to for this summer. I think that last summer and the summer before, it was all about like biker shorts. And of course, I think people are still wearing biker shorts. But for me personally, and I think in general, I see a lot more of like sweat shorts this summer and just different things, because I feel like the biker short thing has been like so trendy since 2017, and I feel like we need something new. Speaking of yellow, so these aren't yellow, but they're like a chartreuse color. Also, some other heels I picked up. I love these little mule sandals. They're a faux croc kind of material. Bright fun color of these, and the faux croc, and the low heel makes them super comfortable to wear on the weekends for a cute little brunch. And then I also picked picked up this cute little lime green neon purse from Pretty Little Thing. I love these 2000s purses. They really take me back, but I like this one in particular because look how long and big the armhole is, so you can actually wear it on your shoulder like this. Okay, this next top is super cute. It's this really trendy very 2000s little wrap cardigan top. Still not sure exactly how to wear this. Probably I'm thinking with like a light colored little skirt like that. So I think this would be so cute with like a pastel pink skirt or a white skirt. Let me know what you guys think. Are you into the 2000s vibe fully coming back? What do you guys think? And I love the little violet color. It just really takes me back. Okay, this next top, I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet. It's really cute. It has ruching on the sides. It's kind of cropped fit, and it is a one sleeve little number. I feel like the fit is not perfect. There's like this weird gapping here, and then it goes really low, so it's like impossible to wear a bra with this. It's so cute. I love the ruching down the arm here. I think it's just fun for summer. Again, something different with a little skirt or some shorts. Maybe not shorts, but like a little skirt. It gives me very 2000s, like, I'ma do this in front of the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it just gives me very R&B princess. Okay, so this next top is super cute, but I feel like it does run a bit tight. I love the little ruffle peplum detailing with the smocked center here. I think I could have gone up a size. This is a size 18, and as you can see, it does fit. Fits nicely. I like it. So I also picked up some other shoes. We have these gorgeous magenta colored ones. I love these. I'm pretty sure these are still available. These are also wide width from Asos. They have the best wide width shoes. I love these little slingbacks. Just really fun for the summer. These have multiple colors. Pretty great for summer. I love these. And with Asos, you could always get like your regular size if you get the wide width. So normally if they don't have my real size, if it's a wide width shoe, is 8 or 8.5. But if they don't have 8.5, sometimes I'll get 8, sometimes I'll get 9. These are a US. This next dress is really fun, really trendy. I did get it too big, but I think it looks really cute. I think this will look so cool in front of like a pool or something. So fun for like Vegas, for a pool party. I just think it gives super Vegas energy. Super cool girl LA vibes. Little blue shoes. These are really fun color blue. Braided detail, super chic for the summer. Very trendy. They're very cozy and comfortable. I mean, look how cute. With the blues and purples, I also picked up this little faux croc bag from Pretty Little Thing. I love it. Again, long enough to wear under the arm. You could dress it up and wear it under your arm as a clutch, or dress it down. Okay, last but not least, we have this gorgeous maxi dress. This one's from Boohoo. A halter, as well as this really nice keyhole design. I know for some people, they probably would think, oh, that's not flattering if you don't have, you know, high perfect boobs. Well, you know what? I don't care. I am a 30-year-old woman who is fully embracing her saggy, flappy girls, and I don't care what anybody thinks. There you go. So yeah, and the girl who modeled it on the website also has saggy boobs like me, which I thought was really nice that they incorporated real life saggy boobs. Anyway, so I really like it. Again, I think this would be really nice for a tropical vacation. Whee! And the last little thing I wanted to share with you guys for this summer, for when you're wearing skirts, when you're wearing dresses, are these little shorts that I got from Asos. I love these. It's like a little bit thicker than a pantyhose. It does have a little bit of a control top, just a little bit. Super lightweight. They're like, look at that. Obsessed with these. I'm gonna go buy more if they have them before y'all buy them all. So that is everything for this haul. I love how every time I finish a haul, I look so different at the end of the haul than I did at the beginning. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Stay glam. Have a great summer. Bye.